Yo, what's up, world? I'm in Sanur, just at the front of the Warung Kecil. Warung Kecil is this one. And today is very good news because the beach is open, this road leading to the beach. I will show you around the beach today, but meanwhile, I want to show you this part of Sanur because I think it's also interesting and long time I didn't show you around. Wow, it's so sunny, but here is the market, and at the front is the Soul in the Bowl restaurant. Meanwhile, that's what looks the situation over here. I will hit into this direction. Just want to show you a few new places around. Somebody have a nice Alphard here. Here is the new place. It's called Jalapeno, which is Mexican restaurant. And at the front is the Bon Appetit French bakery. Somebody asked me to show you this area, and also here is the sandwich bar. Unfortunately, sandwich bar is going to be closed now because it's 5 o'clock and they are open since morning till 5. And here is the Bon Appetit French baguette. So I'm doing the request for you guys. I really forgot the names, who really wants to see this, but this is for you guys. And there is at the front is trattoria, and meanwhile that's how it looks there. Looks the situation. Also facing from this perspective, Ryoshi at the front, and yeah, that's how it looks the situation. Quiet, many taxi drivers waiting around, and there is the forest next to the Hyatt hotel, and I want to show you how it looks the construction progress now. Alright, so as you see is some taxi drivers around, and slowly I'm gonna show you here how looks the progress. Still I'm not sure what's gonna be here. Some said as that's gonna be the park or some sort of mall, but as you see they make a beautiful entrance already. So many bricks, parking area over there, and here I think there will be some buildings. And well, I'm not even sure if I can enter here, but here is some mini map which I really want to show you what's gonna be here. So the parking, outdoor retail, so the shopping probably over here, forest park and outdoor activities, plaza, and probably another parking on the other side. So that's how it looks like. So will be some sort of mini version of Bali collection, I think, but the progress is so fast because the parking area is already nearly finished, and well, at the front is Hyatt hotel. So as you see over here, the work is really advanced. The progress is very high. Seems like will be something like a la small version of Bali collections. Looks of course definitely much better already. Just waiting when gonna be finished. And yeah, that's how it looks like. I'm gonna go to the beach now because the beach is open and also some restaurants are open. So see you on the beach now. Alright, I'm on the beach. Beaches are open, at least in Sanur. I'm really not sure about the west part of Bali, especially Kuta Legi and Seminyak, if it's open. However, here in Sanur the beach is open, which is so great. Some restaurants are open, some restaurants are closed. This restaurant actually, I'm not sure what's the name, Newman I think or something, it's closed. But I already passed the road, and some restaurants at the front are open, and even there are some customers around. So enjoy, guys. Starting with some dogos at the front, just at the front of Nest Spa, and the restaurant around here is Lila Pantai. At morning when I was here was closed, but now it's open, so that's pretty good. As you see, some people around, pretty good vibes. So definitely much more optimistic view. Seems like everything is going slowly back to previous stage. I'm not gonna say going back to normal, but to the previous stage. Some local people playing chess, so cool. Oh, and the mango lady here. I was this morning having coffee in this restaurant, and exactly when the parking area at the beach was open, the chalang was open this morning, so I was probably one of the first guests here. But yeah, that's how it looks there. Hello. Lovely lady. Everybody are happy now because obviously you can be on the beach, which is, I think beaches should be open all the time. Anyway, you have to wear mask even if you are on the beach, so what's the really difference? At least you can still having a filtered fresh air from the mask. Some restaurants here are closed still, I have to say. It's second day. So first day, that's how it looks the situation. Yeah, it's still very peaceful, but it's definitely much better vibe than it was during past 3.5 weeks, almost 1 month actually. And the beach is beautiful, low tide, and so many people, but very nice. Heading now to famous La Playa Beach, which is at the front and also seems is open. So the restaurants who are like on the open air restaurants, like this one for example, they can be open, and the restaurants who are closed area only with aircon, they cannot having guests, at least what I understand from the current laws, but I'm not 100% sure if it's already 100% like that or not, but that's how it looked like. And yeah, some people. Yo, what's up my friend, how you doing? Hello, how are you guys? Just alone. Just alone. How are you today? All good. Finally open, yes. Very good. So I had we spoke with some lovely guy from Holland, right, Belanda, and the ladies in the La Playa. They are happy. Hello, how are you? And the kids here, they are obviously happy as the restaurant is open. Of course, it's a very positive thing. Yo, what's up, doggo? I'm heading in the Hyatt direction now. So this is the area of the Hyatt Regency Hotel inside, and at the front, if you see properly, you can see the top of the Mount Agung volcano and the peaceful life. Some people are having exercises, stuff like this, or walk, or just sitting on the beach having the fresh breeze, which is really great. Finally you can do it. Anyway, that's how it looks inside the hotel. I'm just gonna show you around. Very peaceful. I think not so many guests staying, but it's not also as quiet, it's not empty as in Nusa Dua, so that's pretty cool. And anyway, I just wanna show you slowly one more time how peaceful life in Sanur is going on, and so happy as it's open. Peaceful promenade on the side of the Hyatt, like forest side. So many doggos on the beach. Check this out. I just want to show you right now. 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's so cool, so beautiful. Heading now to Andas area of second wing part of Hyatt Regency Hotel. However, it's called Andas, and they independent. However, they belongs to the Hyatt group. It's quite complicated. And there are some people inside also. And meanwhile, that's how it looks. The peaceful life. Kids already playing the kites. So cool. There are actually some guests in the hotel, as you see. People playing in the pool. Beautiful area actually. You have to agree with me. And the kids already, local kids, coming out to the beach, which is a really optimistic view. So happy to see that. And heading now into the Maya Hotel, which is over there. And here we go. This is the front of the Maya Hotel. Maya Hotel and Maya Hotel Beach. Actually forgot the real name of the beach, but well, obviously next to the Maya Hotel. As you see, some people already around, some warungs on the beach. They are officially legally can be open now. So I think Erika can be open also, but maybe tomorrow, after tomorrow, I will go to Kuta Legian, check out the situation over there. Meanwhile, in Sanur, everything looks very optimistic. However, I talked with the waiter in the La Playa, and she said as the Kuta Legian is closed, but I'm not sure. This is just the beginning, so have to wait, and we will see how's the situation. Meanwhile, enjoy the Sanur. Alright guys, so that's how it looks the situation in Sanur right now, end of July 2021. beaches are open in Sanur at least. In the next week, I mean in this week, I will try to go to Kuta Lake and Seminyak, show you around how does it look like, if it's open, how's Erika for sure. Also the request about Vesaki area, Vesaki hotel area on the beach side. I will do it for sure, maybe next time on the next occasion in Sanur, so don't worry guys, I remember everything. Maybe I'm forgetting the names, but I remember about the all requests, so stay tuned guys. Anyway, thank you so much for watching today, and like always, see you tomorrow. See ya, take care guys.